today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of bug on the application of Tinder. We go to settings. In this page we go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about Tinder and you can click here. Then this page of app info, we click on first stop and you can click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. Here we go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Tinder app. If you find update here, then you can update your app, so please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your